The Space Launch System, or SLS, will be the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built. When complete, this heavy-lift expendable launch vehicle will send humans and cargo into space from Kennedy Space Center. Before launch, the SLS must take a 4.5-mile trek along the Crawlerway, the pathway that runs between the Vehicle Assembly Bldg and the launch complex. Weighing 24.5 million pounds, it will be the heaviest known load in the world, 19% greater than any previous load applied to the Crawlerway.
The Crawlerway analysis was done to evaluate how well the Crawlerway Foundation would perform bearing the SLS's weight during transport. Our team was tasked with gathering and analyzing the data and predicting how the deep foundation soils might react under the increased load.
The team conducted over 200 exploratory geotechnical tests, analyzed previous soil tests, and developed a model for conducting a full-scale load test of the Crawlerway. Results indicated that soils beneath the Crawlerway had weakened. Decreased soil strength, combined with the projected increased load, significantly reduced the reliability of successfully transporting SLS along the Crawlerway.
So then we worked to develop a comprehensive Crawlerway conditioning program to strengthen the soil structure and increase the reliability of the Crawlerway to withstand the projected load. Our work is part of a larger vision, laying the groundwork for Artemis 1. It is an honor and a privilege to serve NASA and share in its mission and vision for deep space exploration.